BMW 5 Series is one of those leading figures individuals use to benchmark other full-measure vehicles, and in light of current circumstances, it's been all around adored by BMW supporters and board writers the world over. From its home on the German Autobahn going triple-digit paces to weaving its way through the swamped avenues of underdeveloped nations where it escorts government authorities and neighborhood dignitaries, the 5 has been a backbone for quite a long time. For 2017, BMW appeared in all-new 5 Series, finished with a refreshed outline, a design imparted to the bigger 7 Series, and more driver tech than any other time in recent memory. This new 7th H5 Series likewise brags another M performance display for 2018, the BMW M550i xDrive. Think about the 2018 BMW M550i xDrive like this present. It resembles the standard 550i, yet with its 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8, suspension, controlling, and brakes revamped by the Go-Quick masters at BMW's M Performance division. Furthermore, since the M5 variation of the 7th H5 Series, G30, isn't accessible till March of 2019, the M550i is the baddest 5 of the pack. But on the other hand, it merits calling attention to the M550i xDrive and forthcoming M5 have a considerable measure in like manner. The two offer a similar V8, however the M5s will have more power on account of bigger turbos and a higher stream fuel infusion framework, among different updates. The M5's suspension will utilize stiffer bushings to coordinate its thicker tires. The M5 will likewise have more driver control over the xDrive framework and drive modes. Furthermore, obviously, the M5 will have a more forceful appearance to run with its track-centered execution. In any case, the M550i is a 456 strength mammoth fit for hitting 60 miles per hour in around 3.9 seconds, yet treats its tenants to extravagance befitting a more devoted cruiser.